In this video, I'll show you how to make shirts on Roblox step by step. First, go to the Roblox website and log in to your account. After logging in, go to the Create option in the main menu. Now, look for the section related to avatar or classic clothing. Scroll down and you will see the official Roblox explanation on how to create clothing. Roblox provides a shirt template that you can download. Download the template and use an image editor to create your shirt design. After creating the design, save the file in the correct format. Now go back to the clothing creation page on Roblox. Click the option to upload your shirt. Select the file you created and upload it. To publish the shirt, Roblox charges a fee of 10 Robux. After paying the fee, your shirt will be available on Roblox. You can also visit the Learn section to watch videos that help with the creation process.